What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a month or so, or maybe 2 months since I posted a video. So today we're gonna make ramdon, and here are the ingredients. It's the simplest way I can think of making it, and hopefully you like it. So ingredients are nigiri seafood noodles, chapagetti jajang noodles, steak cut into cubes, some butter, and green onions for topping. So let's get started. So first step is we're gonna add 3.5 cups of water into a pan and let it boil. So let's put it in high heat. While that's going, we're gonna put a frying pan or a skillet or saute pan, whatever you wanna call it, and also turn it up to high heat, heat it up, and we're gonna fry the steak. Test if the pan is ready. Just put your palm like an inch and a half away from the surface, and if it feels the heat and it's ready. If it's not, it'll be warm, so it's not ready yet. So the pan is hot now. You can feel it. Twitch it away. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the butter and melt it. Sizzle. You don't want it browning. You just want to make a little layer. Coated, and you can drop your steak in. And let it brown. Add some chopped pepper. Sea salt or any salt that you have. And stir, turn them around. This is actually a sirloin steak. It's cut into half-inch cubes. It's been there for a while, so still good. You know how it is right now. We're kind of stay at home mode, so we're trying to get rid of all the old meats first. So I wanted some nice brown color, golden brown, seared, and it's looking good right now. So let's keep it for another 5 minutes and high, and then I'll drop it to low. I'll turn it off once it's ready. So it's getting color now, it's brown. I'm gonna lower it. I might turn it off. It's still cooking because this is an electric stove, so it's going to be the residual heat, and also keep cooking while I tend to the noodles. So the water is boiling now, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop the 2 noodles in. You can break them in half if you want, which is what I'm going to do right now. I break it in half because for more than 2 people, so it's easy for me to actually serve. You also want to add your dried vegetables so they can be reconstituted. Just stir this a bit, make sure all the noodles are in the water. You can see the vegetables are being reconstituted right now, and just let it boil. 3 to 4 or 5 minutes, it should be ready. Just keep stirring. So it's about 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna remove some of the water or liquid because there's too much of the liquid actually. So I'm gonna remove about half of the liquid. Alright, so I removed some of the liquid. Now I put the sauce from the nigiri and the chapagetti. oil. Came in a packet. And we're gonna stir it until the dried sauce dissolves and mix it together. The sauce should thicken, and since we removed from the water, it should be nice and thick. And now it's time to add the steak. So all you have to do is transfer it over. You don't need the butter or anything, or the oil that you used to fry it. If you do, make it oily, but it's your preference. I learned that if you put the oil in, it kind of ruins the taste. And all you do after that is just stir and incorporate everything together. This is actually done already, but I like to use it more until it's more thick, something more thick. So maybe another 30 seconds and it's done. Oh, actually it's done now. Turn it off and off the heat. So then the plate is a small bowl. All you're going to do is grab the ramdan, put it right in the center. Grab a nice palmful. Beef. And then as a garnish, we're gonna add the green onions on top. And it's done. Ramdan, and it only took me about 10 minutes.